Alright, so I've got the water pump mounted with its small bolts, so it's all aligned. That way I can, touch this up a little bit. Getting the oil pump assembled. It's ready to go. I just gotta put a gasket in and bolt that down. And I'll mask this again. And I give this a little touch-up spritz in some places. But that's gonna be ready to go on. Cleaning up in here. We do have our timing set off. So that's ready to rock. Gonna pull this old water pump out of here too. But cherry picker effort is complete, so we have that victory going for us. We also need to clean a lot in here. There's gonna be a lot of cleaning before we mount all that good stuff up. Pretty bold. So I've sprayed everything down with a little degreaser, and I already cleaned this side. Oh, yeah, it's because I've been just getting everything cleaned up and starting to not look like a hot mess. So much better. And I thought that was dirty on some of that. It's being dirt like this. It's actually, it just needs paint. It's down to iron. Nice.